Statute 83.50. In addition to any other disclosure required by law, the landlord, or a person authorized to enter into a rental agreement on the landlord's behalf, shall disclose in writing to the tenant at or before the commencement of the tenancy the name and address of the landlord or a person authorized to receive notices and demands in the landlord's behalf. The person so authorized to receive notices and demands retains authority until the tenant is notified otherwise. All notices of such names and addresses or changes thereto must be delivered to the tenant's residence, or, if specified in writing by the tenant, to any other address, or such notices may be sent by email in accordance with Section 83.505. We offer real estate, estate planning, probate, and business law. Call 321-206-3603 or visit easlerlaw.com to book a consultation. Offices in Melbourne, Florida. Virtual consultations worldwide.